Hey everyone! Today, me and Jacob, we're at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. We're going to be eating lunch at Kona Cafe. Maybe something else along the way. I don't know. Grab a Dole Whip. We'll see. Crosswalk to Polynesian. This is the first time I've been to the Poly in the daylight. Probably in a good 4 or 5 years. I mean, back in 2020 we were here, but it was in the evening. It was kind of in the daytime, but it was cloudy, it was cold. This is the first real tropical feeling day that I get to experience the Poly without construction walls too at that. The music is playing, the tiki torches are going, the smells, wow. The smells of the ohana are seeping into my nostrils. There is the Polynesian Tiki Man. What a legend. Me and Jacob got our Hawaiian shirts on. Jacob's got an actual Hawaiian shirt. I got my Avatar one. Both
but
pretty.
We're not matching because we aren't gay.
This is true. Yes, that is right. We are checked in, waiting our text. Just thought we'd sit at the Tambu Lounge. Maybe get something, maybe not. You know, just they don't have a lot that we can enjoy. Let's see. Yeah, not a lot. Your table is ready. Please return to Kona Cafe. Here is a close look at the Kona Cafe menu. They actually have changed it since I was here last. Last time, I don't remember some of these menu items. Maybe I just have a bad memory, but I feel like there wasn't sushi. Maybe there was. Maybe I'm just crazy and wrong, but I feel like I don't remember there being sushi. We got these delicious pineapple rolls. Oh yeah, they are pineapple. They're pineapple coconut rolls.
You didn't tell me that before I took a bite out.
I just remembered. How do you feel about them though? Are they good?
They are still amazing.
Okay, yeah, because you could put butter on them too. Oh, just delectable. There are the glazed chicken wings. These look phenomenal. I mean, the crispiness, the glaziness, the green onions, just wow. Just wow. Those were very good wings. They weren't as crispy as I expected, especially compared to Trader Sam's. Although I haven't been to the Trader Sam's here, so these might be the exact same wings. I've only been to the one in California. But the Trader Sam's in California, I felt like the wings were a little bit crispier. Maybe that was just me, but I think I enjoyed those ones more. These were still, top 3 wings easily. I mean, I'd say up there with like Kane at the JW Marriott. Just quite wonderful. Jacob even tried them himself. What did you think?
They were good, I'll be honest.
Yeah?
Usually I'm not the guy that likes traditional boned-in wings, but those ones were nice.
Nice. And the bread is fine as well, even though you're not typically a pineapple or a coconut man. So we just got out of Kona Cafe. Those wings were delicious. The rolls were awesome as usual. And of course, Disney level service, which you can never complain about.
But expensive.
I mean, $25 plus, 20% tip for 6 wings and 2 drinks. That's not a little amount of money. Better than the JW Marriott though. They charge you $15 for 5 wings. This place charged you $14 for 6 wings. So not too bad. Well, our appetizer has been complete. Gonna go to Captain Cook's and get another course of food. They got salads and more, Polynesian favorites, and American entrees. I haven't been here. I know this is like all my videos lately have been. I haven't been here since, but really, I haven't been here since about 2015. 8 years since I've been to Captain Cook's. So, kind of excited just to take a look at this place, kind of walk around. So, being not overly hungry, Jacob has requested the kids mac and cheese with double fries. While Jacob waits on his food, I thought I'd just take a walk outside, enjoy the sun, the sounds, the smells, the view of Magic Kingdom in the distance. Wow. I'm remarkably happy right now. I don't know if you understand this, my viewers watching. It's when I start to talk in a quiet, tone, that's how you know I really am quite happy. I can be excited about stuff. I'm excited when I'm at the parks, when I'm at, Cedar Point, hanging out with friends. I'm excited. I'm enjoying myself. But when I get quiet, when I just uncontrollably smile because of where I'm at, that's how you know. That's how you know that I am really enjoying myself. What is a way I can boost that enjoyment? A Dole Whip. Hot take, I actually like the vanilla and pineapple swirl more than the regular pineapple. I like the difference in sweetness and in sourness, and then I love the float version with the pineapple juice. Oh, it's so amazing. This is it. This is life. This is life, my guy. I brutally humiliated myself in front of the Polynesian Resort cast members. I was like, I got the Dole Whip, I got the shirt, now I just need a lei. And then they put it on me. I'm like, thank you so much. I'm backing into a gate, and I knocked the gate over. And these 3 cast members just stare at me like I'm an idiot, because I am. That didn't nerf my happiness. I am still happy. There it is, the mac and cheese and the fries with the nice cold Coca-Cola.
Sometimes it's just nice to have a simple meal.
Of course. Simple and delicious, right?
Simple and delicious. Nothing so fancy.
No.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just need that break every now and then.
Of course. Jacob got himself a vanilla Disney Dole Whip cone. Well, it's not Dole Whip, it's just vanilla soft serve, but you know,
Basically.
still delicious. There goes Monorail Blue, waiting for our monorail to make her way over to the Magic Kingdom. Isn't that just so magical?
So magical just like this, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah,
This is
monorail time. Here we are, Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. Wow, this awesome view of the contemporary as you're getting off the monorail. As you enter Magic Kingdom, welcome to Magic Kingdom. There's the beautiful front entrance. This is surreal. Haven't been here, saying that again, haven't been here in, gosh, close to 3 years, I believe. Yeah, it's been a while, once again. And glad I get to take just a short little look at the front entrance of this beautiful park. I have been to Disneyland a few times in the past couple years, but it's nice just to take a look at the sequel to Disneyland, you could say. And the monorail. And the music, the sun, palm trees.
Armenian friend.
Armenian friend! Resort launches to Disney's Polynesian Village. Our boat has arrived. We are ready to make our way over to Polynesian Village. We have returned to the Polynesian Village Resort and Spa. Jacob, we are home. Thanks for joining us on our little Polynesian journey and the monorail and the boat ride, Magic Kingdom entrance. We had a really fun time. Got to eat some good foods. Jacob got to expand his palate.
Try and enjoy.
Try and enjoy some bone-in chicken wings. Pretty delicious. But thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day.